Let's sketch this beautiful beach sunset with watercolors. I'm using the CMYK method. It's 4 colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. These are the colors found in printers. So we should technically be able to paint just about anything with these colors. I found it's easiest to layer from lightest colors to darkest. I tend to start with the yellow, then magenta, then cyan, and then last black. One of the benefits of painting with only 4 colors is that you quickly learn to mix your own colors. Plus, it can save you money, and the colors end up being more dynamic. I've used the CMYK method to paint this apple, this bird, and these lemons. If you want to learn this technique, join my watercolor community on the school app. Tap bio link. For less than an iced caramel macchiato, you can join my exclusive watercolor community. You'll find step-by-step tutorials, quick tips, reference images, and hundreds of inspiring artists helping each other. No prior drawing skills needed, and you can quit anytime. Sign up today before it costs 2 iced caramel macchiatos, and I'll help you paint your masterpiece. Just tap the bio link.